Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add and connect a broker on TradingView Mobile. So let's just say that you've only got access to, TradingView Mobile and you want to connect a broker in order to open up trades and things like that. What you can do first of all is open up TradingView. Once you open up TradingView here, you can then click on a chart of your choice. So let me just click on Euro USD right here. Once I click on that, I can then open up the chart, and then once I've opened up my chart, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, I can click on those three dots right there. Once I click on this, there will now be an option for Connect Broker. So if you click on Connect Broker, what that will do is it will show you literally all of the brokers that are available on TradingView at the moment. So let's just say I've opened up an account with Forex.com. If I want to add Forex.com, just click on those. And then obviously you'll then be redirected over to log in to Forex.com. Once you have entered in your login details, what you simply need to do then is click on connect, and then that will connect your broker to the TradingView platform.